A total of 116 voters of 28 families has left various political parties and joined with IPFT on Friday through a joining ceremony held at Korbuk Boirage Dukan Community Hall. Minister Suklachara Nuatia and Korbuk BSC Chairman Pranab Tripura welcomed the new voters by handing over the party flag.
The event was attended by high-ranking IPFT leaders including Minister Suklachara Nuatia and Korbuk BSC Chairman Pranab Tripura. To mark their new allegiance, Minister Nuatia and Chairman Tripura handed over the party flag to the newly joined voters. The joining ceremony is seen as a boost to the IPFT's strength in the region, reflecting a shift in political support among local families.
IPFT Korbuk Division Committee by Sansaja Kaisa joining program ini Kubun Party Kubun Bodol by 28 poribar ni total voters 116 জন Katal flight ini IPFT ne bana Ramon IPFT join flight Vices flight ini BSC Vice Chairman Tayyud IPFT Central Committee ne Adam Tripura Tayyoro Tongosini Dubendu Jomatia Atisani Central Committee President IWT ne Central Committee ne GS Kusan Tirian the Division Committee IPFT ni President Borok ni netritwe tini West Manikyo BC ni 14 poribar ni 50 voter Suknasori BC ni 5 family ni 26 voters Hajasori BC ni 7 family ni 30 voters Jidai Jento Tisha BC ni 2 family ni 10 voters over high flyer total 28 family ni 116 voters Borok IPFT ni bana IPFT join khlaita sang borok na sini party ni bana ya phare sang borok na welcome khlayo te agami dino IPFT ni bising tiyai gafani andolona aikaba tiprale na andolona Borok sengna logirenai, borok sengbai tongnai, tipraleni andolona borok sengna fanbok singnai, abani bagai yang borok na Central Committee ni anggai, IPFT Central Committee ni anggai ang borok na jotonono hak angbai lauso.
Sar paithago kaisa sengmung, 13 Agust mass gathering Raja Khorwa giluo ungmani yagulo, ungklugo kebangma je social media wo sengnugo ungklugo kebangma kok asai mani, kamu tiler ni reaction dam tong sar.
Sini party sengkebano reaction dia 2009 nisimi 2018 seng sarkar payo kecam sarkar ni leaders rokni upora borok khamata kamai thangka hnai sini party ni worker party ni cadre party ni tibralen ni sengkrag rok keboni lokhungo thangai akraman khlaya reaction dia tabu seng reaction dia others political party sini movement na tuyai sini strategy na tuyai sini movement na tuyai kebo jadi reaction doi tong hangkai public borok na jawab nai jong as a IPFT ni leader angoi jong borok na reaction di
Bureau report Chini Khorang.